Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Bryan with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about how to add a classic editor section. Fluid Engine is one of the best things that has happened to Squarespace. It makes it so easy to use with the drag and drop functionality that it has. But there could be a reason why you need a classic editor section added to your website. Maybe there's some code that you have that only applies to a classic editor section or something. There's a lot of different case scenarios where you could need a classic editor section. So how do you add a classic editor section now that Squarespace has updated to the Fluid Engine? Well, we're going to go over to my screen and I'm going to show you just how to do that. Okay, so this is another one that is really simple. If you know where to look, it's super easy. So we're going to go into edit mode here, and then you're going to add this classic editor section the same way you would add any other section. But when you click add section there, you get these options over here to your left-hand side of what kind of section you want to add. And you can do blank, saved, all these lists right here. But you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then you have a blank classic editor section. So, it says right here, add blank classic editor. The above sections use the new Fluid Engine editor. Looking for sections built with our classic editor. It gives you a link to click on there. And classic editor sections. Okay. You have all these options now for your classic editor sections. And then you can go back to Fluid Engine sections if you need to. But the one that's right there off the top, a blank section, you add that. And you see here now, you have the text block that's in there automatically, and then you can add stuff, add other blocks above or below, and it operates the same as it did before in classic editor. So like if I add an image block, it adds it above it. And then now we have the text block below, and then if you wanted to move it, you'd have to drag it up here, and you can get the text block beside the image block, and you're back to the old way of operating Squarespace. So that's all there is to it. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.